Hey, at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Hissatsu folder. This is a James Williams design, spring-assisted, designed for tactical applications. The overall length on it is 8 3/4 inches. The blade length is 3.8 inches. You can see it's got that kind of a modified Tonto tip on it, as well as that black matte finish. Now to close this knife, it's got our auto locks on it, so you simply pull down on that button there on the back, push over on the locking liner, and then close the knife. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you got it down, it's a great mechanism simply because it's setting a pin against that locking liner, so it will not close until you tell it to by pulling down on that auto lock system and closing it. The handles are glass-filled nylon. You can see there's a pocket clip there for right or left-handed carry. It is reversible. Let me show you a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of what it looks like. One thing I really like about this knife is it is very comfortable in hand. You can see it there. I've got normal sized hands. You can see this is a big knife compared to my keys there. Just a big tactical knife, the sort of knife that's going to get a lot of work done out in the field. So very cool. Again, a James Williams design, spring assisted opening with our auto locks, only from CRKT. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This week's special is a collection of Gerber products designed for easy carry and hard use. First up, we have the 06 Fast Assisted Opening Folder. The blade and handle shape calls to mind the Recon line from Cold Steel knives, though the assisted opening mechanism is a nice addition for those who favor quicker deployments. The blade is 3 3/4 inch long and made from 7 CR17 steel. The G10 scales are textured but not quite as aggressively so as those on the Recons, and the overall hand feel is quite comfortable. The history of the Gerber LST goes all the way back to 1980, when Pete Gerber and knife designer Blackie Collins produced it as one of the first knives on the market with an all-synthetic handle. Lightweight performance was the goal then, and it continues to deliver today with a sturdy lockback design, 2.5 inch 420 HC steel blade, and a total weight of a whopping 1.2 ounces. The Guardian backup is a mean little fixed blade that works nicely as a light, compact self-defense weapon. The lightweight sheath features an adjustable withdrawal tension control and can be clipped to boot or belt for easy carry. The Flick is a cool little multi-tool with some nice features, including a unique method for pliers deployment and a dedicated locking mechanism for each side of the tool. It has a bit of weight to it, but the nylon belt sheath holds it secure.
(1964). A highly classified Special Ops Unit, known as Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, or MACV-SOG, carries a unique combat knife into the jungle on covert missions. Years later, in 1986, that knife inspires a young designer to found SOG, paying tribute to that special ops unit with its very first knife. What begins as a single commemorative model soon becomes a full line of innovative tools, field-proven by U.S. Special Forces, and after rigorous testing, honored as the Navy SEAL knife of choice. And today, there's a SOG for anyone who demands the best. So whether you're protecting others, guiding a job to completion, leading an epic expedition, tackling one of life's everyday challenges, or facing your most extreme conditions yet, no matter what your task or where you go, lead the way with SOG. Forged out of tradition, hardened in the field, honed for you. SOG. Take point.
T designed by Kit Carson has an AUS 8 high carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective bead blast finish. The 3.99-inch dual grind blade has a Tonto tip which is excellent for penetration and combined razor sharp and triple point serrations. The CNC machine titanium handles form an open build frame which is near indestructible and easy to clean. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a removable clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. The M16 Titanium series are premium quality knives engineered to the highest standards.